Hello guys! Welcome to our vlog. Today, pupunta kami ngayon sa Fortress. We are here in Fortress here. Bibili kami ng Airfryer and vacuum. I'm here with my husband. Hello!
Hi guys!
So, dito kami sa Fortress. Pasok na kami sa loob.
Hello guys! So, pagpasok namin ng Fortress, sinubukan namin mag-vlog doon pero hindi daw pwede. So, this is the one we buy. So, we need to unbox this one. So, I'm gonna get this scissor. Okay. This. Kailangan na talaga namin bumili ng bagong vacuum. Kasi nakaawan na yung dating vacuum namin. It takes how many years? 5 years. So, ito na yung bago namin. We will see what's inside the box. Tcharam! Ay, may carton na. Sorry naman! Tcharam! Ano to? Ano to? So, ito siya, yung kailangan mo pang i-assemble. So, ito siya yung mga pipe niya. Ito siya yung extension niya. Extension ba to? Pipe. Yung naghihigo ng dumi. Mga alikabok or anything. Ito na. Ito na. Ito na! Okay. Ito ang hose. Paano ba ito? Basta, yan na yan. And ito naman yung ikakakabit mo ata dito. Saan ba ito? And you need to put this this one. Maybe you need to put here. I don't know. But we need to do that later. Okay. So, the next one is the body. Not so heavy. It's so easy, I can carry, and it's so convenient for me because I'm the one doing cleaning always. This one, guys, the setting of this one is have a filter here that is easy to wash and put it back, and have a socket here, wire. You can pull it like this. It's so long and so easy to back. You just press here only and do like this. And have a extra nozzle here to the small hose pipe. That one. Have an extra. And this is the power to start. And this is the one to clean the dust. You need to push like this. How to do? And like this. And you can throw the dust in the dustbin and wash. See? So easy. So convenient. My everyday. Okay, like this. And next, we put this one here. This is the one. You just push it like this. And this one, you can pull it down. And this one, the extra part, you can connect this one to make it long, like this, guys. Just you can see, as you can see, like this. And you can put like this. You see, and you can also put this. And natanggal. The other one extra while ago, you can put also this one. You see, guys? Tanggal lahat ang alikabok, germs. Okay, so this is our vacuum. This is our new vacuum. So, I will remove this and so guys, para malaman nyo, ito yung old namin. So, may tape na siya. Although, pwede pa naman siya magamit, pero hindi na siya masyadong nakakahigop ng alikabok ng dumi. So, kailangan na talaga namin ng bago. So, eto na. Tadadadam! Malakas pala ako. Nakay na. So, ito na. 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Ano ba siya buksan? Diba? Nakikita kayong manok, chicken. Yan. Wait. Oh, ganito siya. I'll cut. Ito medyo ano siya, kasi sealed para safe. Ayan. Ito. Okay, this is the last one. And okay. And meron pa pala. Ito na siya. Dun, 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 dun. As you can see, safe talaga siya, guys, kasi meron siyang cover na ganun. Parang itlog. So, ito yung net niya, extra net. May brochure, guide. Okay, ito yung net niya. 2 different types of net. You can use this one, like a hard type, neta, and this one, net talaga siya. As in net. Okay. So, ito na siya. Tarararan! Tarararan! Ay. Yan. Okay. May cover pa siya dito. So, safe talaga siya, guys. Tada! Ayun na siya. So, medyo magbibigat siya, guys. Hindi ko siya kayang buhatin. So, I need to ask my husband to help me. So, just wait guys. I will be back. At nagbabalik. So, I'm back guys. This is the one, the air fryer we just bought. And, ang bigat niya talaga guys, promise. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use this, how to open this one and this one. Today, yeah. And ito yung net. Ito yung net niya na ilalagay dito sa loob. Wait. We can also take out this one and this one. And yan siya guys. Yan yung loob niya. Tapos, lalagay mo to. Pwede ka na magluto, mag-fry dyan, or pwede mo ilagay yung net para masala yung mantika. Ayan. Ayan guys. So, ito yung isang option niya na net. Metal siya. Mabigat. So, ito guys. Pwede mo siyang, ayan, easy to clean. Pwede mo siyang, ganyan lang siya. Para malinis ng insakto. Okay? Okay. And we push it back. And ito yung mga function niya. This is the power. This is the max of gano'ng kainit yung gusto nyo. This is the one. So, this is maximum 200 degrees. So, sa likod naman, ito yung ano niya, saksakan niya. Socket. So, easy to use, guys. So, soon, I'm gonna make more videos how to use this one. Cook more fry. Soon, guys, I'm gonna show you how I cook using this air fryer. And we're doing mukbang soon. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell button para ma-notify kayo sa aming upcoming videos. And bye-bye. God bless us.